Java? I'm trying to make a game with a main menu, but I'm having trouble getting it to look interesting. Can you please help me? Sure, Mom. What's wrong with it? Well, Java, if I open it, it looks quite dull, as you can see. Yeah, I guess you're right. Try using cascading style sheets, or CSS. That'll help it look interesting. Oh, alright. How do I do that? Well, you can start by making a file. Let's call it theme.css. Okay. Shall it go in source Java? Yeah, that works. Oh, alright. Let us see. A new file. File name. Theme.css. No, what is this? Xtext project? Yeah, I don't really know. Just say now. Alright. Oh, good. We have our theme.css. How shall I start? Well, how do you want the game to look? Well, I kind of wanted to have an old school dark background with neon text and buttons. Okay. Well, let's start by defining some simple colors that you can use. So start with a star and an open bracket. Alright. Star, open bracket. Okay, now in there, just define some colors. So start with black. Okay, and then do colon, and then number. Oh, no rule. But yeah, just delete that. Oh, alright. Number, hashtag, and then black. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Yep, and now just do that for all the colors you think you want to use. Okay, let's try green, blue, red, yellow, magenta, and cyan. Alright, green, let's see, we have RGB, so 00, FF, 00. For blue, we have 00, 00, FF. For red, we have FF, 00, 00. Alright, it's pretty easy so far. Yeah, Mom, it's not too bad, is it? No, but I still don't know what I'm doing, really. Well, you're just defining colors that you can use later. That way you don't have to type the hex code every time. You can just use words like black, green, or blue. Oh, okay. Yellow, R, and G. So you have FF, 00. And magenta is no green, so FF, 00, FF. And cyan is no red, so we have 00, FF, FF. Alright, now what? Well, start by defining a simple background color for your root. That'll make your background black like you want. Oh, okay. Let's see, dot root, you said? No, I didn't say that, but since we're the same person, in actuality, you just kind of jumped the gun there. Oh, okay. Do you want to re-record then? No, I'm trying to do this in one take, so I don't have to do it again. Oh, alright. Dot, and then what? Dot root. Root. Because we're going to be using this for our root window and all the other windows we create. Oh, okay. Dot root. Alright, now do dash fx dash background dash color. That'll define a background color. Okay, dash fx dash color. Alright. Then I want black. Semicolon, as always. Yep, good. Alright, so how do I use this now? Alright, so what you're going to do is go to the screen you want to do. Alright, let's start with the menu. That's what I'm working on currently. Also, Mom, this reminds me a lot of the game that Wyatt is working on for his final project. Are you copying him at all? Oh, no, not at all. It's entirely different. You sure? Oh, yes. Well, okay then. So let's start by defining that you want to use this CSS file. So, under your scene, you're going to do scene. Okay, scene. Dot get style sheet. Dot get. There we go. Dot get style sheets. Dot add. Alright. And then the name of your file, so theme.css. Okay. Alright, now what? Okay, so now, in your root, alright, here's my root. This is where I define it. Yep. So now you want to do root.getStyleSheet. GetStyleClass is the one I meant. Oh. Do you know anything Java? Yep, I just misspoke. Oh, okay then. GetStyleClass. And then add, there you go. Alright, add. Now, in quotes, do root, because that's what you just defined. Okay. Root. Okay, now run it. Alright, I'll run it. Save. Oh, exquisite. The background is black. But the rest still looks dull. Is there anything I can do for that? Yeah, actually, it's pretty easy. You can just create new entries in your CSS file for everything. So let's start with the buttons. Okay. So do a .button. No, not button. Button. Okay, now do FX background color again. Alright. I want black as well. Okay, now do a border. I think I'll go with red for my border. Sure that works. So FX, now what? I'm getting a hang of it. Now, border. Alright, border. What color is it? Yep. Alright, let's go with red. And now do the font. So -fx -font. Yep. Okay, let's try size 30 font and Verdana. I like Verdana. Alright, use Verdana then. So 30 px. And now type Verdana. Verdana, yes, alright. Now set your font fill to red, so -fx -text -fill. Okay. Red. Okay, now remember you have to set your buttons to utilize this style. Oh, okay. Let's just see, where are my buttons here? Oh, it looks like I've already done it. Yeah, that's because you're copying Wyatt. Oh, no, I'm not. Don't be silly. I'll just delete this. You didn't see anything. I'm not copying Wyatt. Yeah, you totally are. No, shut up, Java. Just help me. Alright, well, even though it was just in your code, you're going to set it for each button. So set it for all your buttons, the style class, and name it button. Alright. Plugin button dot get style add button. Alright, let's see how this goes. Now let me change all these. See, this is easier, Mom, because this way you don't have to set all the parameters for every single button. You can just give it the style and then change the style, which will change all the buttons in your entire application. It makes it a lot easier. Oh, I see what you mean, Java. It is a lot easier. Alright, let's see how this looks. Oh, brilliant. However, I can't tell when I'm hovering over the buttons. What can I do? Oh, there's actually a cool trick for that. So go into your theme.css. Alright. And now do .button and then :hover. That'll extend your button segment and address when it gets hovered over it. It's kind of just the magic of CSS. Okay. Hover, is it? Yep. Alright. Now, I think I'm getting a hang of this. Let's set border color to yellow. And the fill color to yellow. Alright. Alright, now run it again. Here we are. Oh, brilliant, Java. The buttons highlight correctly now. I can click whichever one I want. Nice. Now let's do the title. Okay then. Let's do the title with CSS. So let's go dot title. That seems like a good name, doesn't it? Yep. Alright, now I want it to be big and green. Alright, well, make it big and green. Let's see if you can figure it out this time, Mom. Alright. So let's set the fill, is it? Do I need to do text fill? Well, it's a text object, so it's not like a label where you can do that. So you'll have to just do -fx-fill. Don't do the text, because it doesn't actually interpret it as text. It's a little bit funny that way. Oh, alright. Green. Now we will do dash. Now how do I set the border? Try the stroke. Just like when you're actually programming with the text object, you can use the stroke. Okay. Stroke. Alright, and now set it to whatever color you want. Well, let's do green. Oh, but I meant to make the fill black. That way it looks like a neon sign. Alright, sure, do that then. I want to make the stroke width sort of be stroke dash width, Java? Yep, that's right, actually. Well done. Let's make it 2. And now, let's set the font like before. So let's make it really big. 150. Madonna. Let's see how this looks now. I did, Java. It's not done anything. Well, remember, you have to set the style class to the thing you want. Oh, you're right. Let's do that then. Oh, where is it? Oh, title text. There we go. And then get style class, and title. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's brilliant, Java. Thank you. Now I'll just have to do my slider. Yeah, Mom, that takes a really long time and is basically just Googling how to do a bunch of stuff. I was talking to Wyatt. He said it took him a really long time, so I'm not going to explain it to you for the sake of this video, but if you just copy and paste that file I know you have on your computer, it should make the slider look correct, and then you'll be good to go. But don't act like I have a secret file on my computer. Don't watch, Java. I'm finding a file. That is not a secret file. Just ignore me. Just ignore me. Yes. I'm not doing anything suspicious whatsoever. Alright. After no suspicious actions on my part. Oh! Oh dear, where did it go? Well, that's what happens when you copy files. Oh, Java, I didn't know such thing. Let's just redo the title then. Right on. Alright, I've done no such file copying from a file I already had. Let us play our application. Oh, that looks brilliant. Very nice contrast, the buttons work properly, the label looks good for space game, and the slider looks brilliant. Yep, it does, Mom. Good luck on the rest of your project, and try not to copy Wyatt too much, even though I can tell that's exactly what you did. Oh, nonsense, Java. Just go back to your room.